Viper. Nice. Okay, I'll just go through. That's a great place to stop and have a conversation. This is a crosswalk, by the way. See, I just waved hello to her. What is that? Lima Normal Charles 9571. This used to be nice, but you know, but somehow something got screwed up. It's oversaturated. It was nice a couple of years ago, you know, before they started cutting the hours. You know, when you were really an independent contractor back then. But now, they dictate how much money you make. They cut your hours. They dictate you have to get reserved times. They dictate how much money you make. You're not an independent contractor anymore, it seems to me. You can't just, get online whenever you want and do whatever you want. Can't do that anymore. No. Should be quick. There's no one in there. Thank you.
Yep.
Thank you. Yep. Thank you. All right. They just park anywhere, I guess. Yeah. Okay, go ahead. It's always nice. It's always nice when people don't say thank you when you open the door for them. Oh, there you go.
Thank you so much.
Have a nice day. There's a car behind you. I don't want... What happens is he has to move over here to get around her, and then someone who's behind me runs into me almost. That's what happened. Just pull off to the side, let the traffic behind you pass, and then you can continue on. These people, they literally just stop their car in the middle of the road. I think I could see a parking space, but no, that's a hydrant. I can't park there. This one?
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, there you go.
Thank you.
Have a good day. Car? Yeah.
Wait! Bro! You're not listening to me. You're not listening to me. You don't see why Bro, come on. Are you kidding me, bro? I get it. She never been in the car. But I'm saying, it's all my shit. Sit down for a second. Why would you say that? Why would you say that? I don't give a f. I don't give a f. I don't give a f if the wind is blowing. You asked me to get your papers. I couldn't find them. And you sat him in my car.
1617.
JR says, leave it.
Shut up. You have the right of way. You have the right of way. You have the right of way. I have the stop sign. You have the right of way. I'm sure you don't know that though. You have the right of way. I have the stop sign. You have the right of way. Nobody seems to know how to drive in this place. What are we doing? You're moving there, you're here, you're all over the place. There's a lot of people who are just completely unqualified to be driving cars in this place. Okay, got it. Thank you. That is it. Let's go home.